Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I want to say a big thank you to my subscribers. In today's recipe, I'm going to be preparing spinach with agushi as we say in Ghana. And here are all my ingredients for this recipe. I have here chopped onion, 1 seasoning cube, or salted fish, my spinach, frozen spinach. I have blended ingredients, onion, garlic, and ginger. I have here cow skin, smoked fish, a bit of cow meat. I have salt, blended tomatoes and pepper. I have blended smoked prawns. I have here my agushi, which I'll be blending later, black pepper, and also I have palm oil, which I'll be using for this recipe. So let's get into this recipe. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and season my meat. I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube, 2 spoons of my blended ingredient or my blended spices. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the chopped onions. 1 tablespoon of salt. And my black pepper. And now I'm going to go ahead and cover and leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, I check and I'll just add my cow skin, and then I'm going to leave it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I check again, and I think this time around everything is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the fire, and I'll start preparing my sauce. So here I have palm oil, and I just add the momoni or salted fish, and then I add the rest of the chopped onion. Just stir it and let the momoni melt into the oil. A typical Ghanaian can cook without momoni. And now I just add the rest of the blended ingredients or the blended spice. Blended pepper and tomatoes. Allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. And I'll just add the meat. Cover and let simmer for 1 minute. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir it to make sure it does not stick to the pan. And here I just add my blended prawns. And I'm going to go ahead and add the smoked fish. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add the blended agushi to this sauce. And then I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes later, I just stir again to make sure that it does not stick to the pan. Cover once again for another 1 minute. Stir. Cover 1 minute. And at this point, stir again. And it's okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my spinach. Mix everything together very well. No need to leave to cook for too long. 1 minute is enough because you don't want to kill all the vitamins. So here we are. Our sauce is ready. Spinach with agushi. You can serve with anything of your choice, with rice, with boiled plantain, potatoes. I am going to serve mine with boiled yam. So here we go, guys. Our recipe is ready. Boiled yam with spinach sauce and agushi. I hope you guys do like this recipe. Please, if you like, subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.